Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I had to come on guys because I needed to update this everybody on this diamond painting from Pretty Neat Creative. I am so impressed with this company, it's not funny. Just look at this painting. It is gorgeous. The colors, the detail. This is one of my favorite diamond paintings in the whole year that I've been diamond painting. This is a 50 by 50 centimeter square diamond painting, and I tell you, I am enjoying this. And check this out guys, the drill quality is unbelievable. This is from this whole painting, this is just garbage drills. That's it. That is it. And they're all 3/10. So the drill quality is amazing. The canvas quality is amazing. And the details that are coming into this painting, I can't express how impressed I am. So I just wanted to come on and give you this update. As you can see, I am almost done with this diamond painting, and this is going to get a special frame and hung up as soon as I possibly can. I recommend this company. This is my first impression. Well, it's not my first impression, it's my updated impression, and I still feel from when I unboxed this diamond painting that this is a great company to order from. They're reasonable. The quality, it's just such a, wonderful customer service. I haven't had to use customer service, but I've been going back and forth, in regards to the painting and videos and whatnot. With Pretty Neat Creative, and I have had nothing but instant response, nice conversations. I'm just very impressed with this company. So, as you all know, I am affiliated with Pretty Neat Creative, and I am so glad that I have done this and will continue to do this on my channel and be affiliated with Pretty Neat Creative. So I will show you in my next video, actually, or I should have this diamond painting, if I do it all day today and through the weekend, by Monday and before my live, I should have this diamond painting completed. I am so excited for this to be done and hung up on my wall so I can show everybody this beauty. So, guys, I really suggest, even before I even finish this canvas, try them out. If you go through my affiliated link, which will be in the description below, you will get I will get a small commission to bring lots more of these beautiful paintings to my channel to share with you. So try them out, give them a try. Let me know what you think about them in the comments below. Hit that subscribe button. Hit that little bell when you to be notified for when this beautiful painting is completed and others I put up on my channel. I highly recommend this company. I have nothing but good experience so far, and this painting is gorgeous. I mean, gorgeous. So, yeah, so go, if you're interested, go check their website out, go through my link, and you won't be sorry. So hit that like button if you like this video, hit that dislike button, comments, questions, suggestions, your thoughts on your purchases, know from this company, Pretty Neat Creative, just put your experiences down in the comments below. I would appreciate it. And until my next one, guys, you will see the completed project from Pretty Neat Creative. So get down on that description box and help me out to bring more beautiful and unique paintings to the channel. I'd appreciate it. And I appreciate every single one of you who have gone through my affiliated links. And if it wasn't for you, I wouldn't have been able to bring so many different things to my channel, and I do appreciate every last one of you. So until my next video, guys, I just had to show you the updates on this beautiful painting. So guys, live, love, laugh, and craft. Do what makes you happy, and you have to check this company out. It's awesome. So take it easy, guys. Until my next one.